Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make yummy tea. First, let's talk about the foundation of a great cup, your ingredients. Always choose high-quality loose-leaf tea. It truly makes a difference in taste and aroma. Next, fresh, filtered water is essential, as tap water can contain impurities that affect flavor. Finally, remember to pre-warm your teapot or mug. This simple step helps maintain the ideal brewing temperature, ensuring your tea stays wonderfully warm and flavorful. Getting the water temperature right is crucial for a delicious brew. For robust black teas and most herbal infusions, use boiling water, which is 212 degrees Fahrenheit. However, delicate green and white teas prefer cooler water, around 175 degrees Fahrenheit, to prevent bitterness. Steeping time also varies. Black tea typically needs 3 to 5 minutes, while green and white teas are perfect in 1 to 3 minutes. Experiment to find your preferred strength. The right tea-to-water ratio is key to a balanced cup. A good starting point is 1 teaspoon of loose-leaf tea for every 8 ounces of water. Feel free to adjust this amount based on how strong you like your tea. Beyond quantity, the quality of your tea leaves truly impacts the final taste. Explore different origins and processing methods to discover new favorites. For spiced teas, using freshly ground spices can elevate the aroma and flavor significantly. Now for the fun part, customizing your perfect cup. Feel free to add sweeteners like honey, maple syrup, or sugar to suit your palate. A splash of milk or a slice of lemon can also beautifully complement certain tea varieties, especially black teas. Don't be afraid to experiment with different brewing vessels, from traditional teapots to modern infusers, to find what works best for you. Finally, take a moment to truly savor your yummy tea. Enjoy every warm, comforting sip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.